Hello guys, I have just been contacted by this company called CARABC. They want me to review this excellent wireless Apple CarPlay dongle. So if you have Apple CarPlay in your car, but you need to connect it by a USB cable, this is the solution. Cost almost nothing. Has a tiny USB-C. I think this is a microphone input. And in the box you have two cables, USB-A to USB-C and USB-C to USB-C in white. That is nice. And then you have a manual in colors. It's real easy to connect. The little dongle itself is made from plastic, of course, as usual, and it has a rubberized backside, which make it lay still on the dashboard. But you don't need it on the dashboard. You can put it in your glove box or anything. It will still work because it's wireless, as long as you have the connection to the car radio. Let's jump into the car and see how it's working. Okay, guys, now we're going to test this one in this very fancy Volvo XC90 hybrid. Let's see if it's working. Okay, here we go. Einar, my colleague, is connecting this to his fancy Volvo for the first time ever. Let's see what's happening. Oh, look at that! Magic, eh? Just fantastic. Excellent. Prøv kartet. That was simply amazing, eh, Einar?
It works.
Fantastic. Today we're going to test this one on this fancy Jaguar. Let's see if that one is working as well. This Jaguar has this very nice connection panel in the back here. And my colleague is now connecting it. And that's it. Let's see if there is some magic happening. Ha! Fantastic, eh? Amazing. Simply amazing. That was easy, eh?
It works.
CarPlay in a few minutes. Fantastic. Works on the Jaguar. Okay guys, there you have it. CARABC wireless dongle for your car if you have Apple CarPlay and need to connect it by wire. Nice, cheap little piece. I recommend it. Links for it as always up here and down there, so you can check it out for yourself. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.